In this video, I will show you all the fees we have when leverage trading on the platform Bitrue. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Bitrue, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description. Then you will get to exactly this page right here. And as you can see, you can get up to $1,000 in bonuses. Simply click right here on register to claim. And then right here, simply enter your email address and set a password, or use one of these options down here and create your account in less than 30 seconds. So first, let's talk about the so-called order fees that always occur when opening and closing a position. Here we basically have two different fee rates. First, we have the so-called maker fee, which sits at 0.02%. Maker fee means that it always occurs when you're using a limit order. And the second fee is the so-called taker fee, which sits at 0.06%, so a little bit higher. And the taker fee always occurs when you're using a market order. These percentages are always calculated on the position size and occur when opening and closing a position. Here you can see in comparison of the fees to other exchanges, and as you can see, Bitrue with the 0.02 and 0.06% is right about in the middle, so pretty average the fees. There's only a few that are a little bit cheaper and a few that are a little bit more expensive, but overall it's pretty much the average fee and is very comparable to all these other exchanges. In general, these fees are pretty low if you compare that to the normal spot market fees. These rates right here are extremely low. To give you an example, if you open a $1,000 position size, you would pay 60 cents with a taker fee and only 20 cents with a maker fee. And of course, if you think about how much the Bitcoin price can go up or down within just one day, these trading fees right here shouldn't make up too much, especially compared to the actual profits or losses you would make with the trades. The second and last fee is the so-called funding fee. You can always see it up here. It consists of a funding rate and a countdown. This fee only applies if you have a position opened exactly in the second when this countdown right here reaches 0. It will be reset every 8 hours, and right at that second, it depends on where the funding rate is. It can change depending on the current market conditions, and it will be calculated on your position size. Also, it's not a fee directly to the platform, but it's more a shift between long and short positions. So if this is right here positive, that means you would need to pay it as a long position and you would receive it as a short position. Same goes for if this is a negative value up here, you would need to pay it as a short position and you would get it funded as a long position. You can also see that this rate right here is extremely low, and it's just a shift between long and shorts, and sometimes you can even get something credited. Don't forget to pick up your special sign-up bonus with up to $1,000 in bonuses by simply going down to the first link in the video description. Just click on register to claim right here and start creating your account within a few seconds.